How to convert a voice recording into text on your iPhone. So if you want to transcribe one of your audio recordings, I'm going to show you how to do this. Now the first method is you can come over to your iPhone home screen. You can then use the search box and type in Voice Memos and click on this app. Now you can either go and create a new recording, or you should be able to find all of your saved recordings from here. Simply go and click on the recording you want to convert to text. You can then click on this icon in the left-hand side. Now click on the speech icon in the bottom left. And as you can see, this will automatically convert this into text. Now, if you can't find your recording from here or it's not working, there is one more way to do this. So go and open up an internet browser and type in audio recording to text and press enter. You can then scroll down and there's a bunch of free websites we can use to do this. Now, I like to use this one here, which is turboscribe.ai. You can then click on browse files, click on choose file, and select the audio file that you want to convert into text. You'll then need to wait a few minutes while this converts your audio. Once it's finished, scroll down the page and select your audio language and then click on transcribe. Now after a few minutes, you should see this pop-up message and you can go and click on your file and then you can press open transcript. Now click on the three horizontal dots and you can go and download this to your phone.